Welcome. If you're looking to join parties with your friends on Roblox using the PC app, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest update that lets you enable the option for others to add you to a party. This is a great way to make your Roblox experience even more social and fun, so let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look towards the bottom right corner for the More icon. It usually looks like 3 dots or lines. Click on it to open up the menu. From here, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust all sorts of preferences for your Roblox account. Next, find and click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This section controls who can interact with you and what kind of content you can see or share. Now, look for the Communication option in the list. Click on it and you'll see several choices related to how you connect with other players. Find the one labeled Party. This is where you'll be able to manage your party settings. Under the Group Party section, you'll see a drop-down or toggle that lets you decide who can add you to a party. By default, it might be set to No One or Friends and Users I Follow. To allow your friends to invite you, simply choose Friends from the list. This means only people you've added as friends on Roblox will be able to add you to a group party. That's it. You've now enabled the option for your friends to add you to parties on Roblox using the PC app. This update makes it much easier to play and connect with your favorite people. If you want to change this setting later, just repeat these steps and pick a different option. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and updates. See you in the next video.